Now we are going to add on the plane the dimension, draw dimension lines between any 2 points. So at the end of your 2D, two-dimension plane, it is extremely useful to add the dimension like this. I click on dimension and we are going to choose the right point to integrate the dimension. So for example, I'm going to take this point to this point to have the width of the room, like this. Then I'm going to make the same work at this level to show that we have 5 meters like this. And after we can take different quotation. This quotation, this quotation, this dimension, for example. Here, same work, I can take this dimension, here to here, this dimension, and here to here also this dimension, here to here this dimension, and here the same, this dimension, like this. And on the left also, I can give this dimension, I can give this dimension, and eventually we could continue. So the aim is to have the maximum of information. For example, this furniture, I can add also a quotation here for this furniture also, like this. Like that. If I want to have the space and the size of the door, I can take this endpoint and to place a guide here. Also the same work at this level, this point to this point, like this. Here also I can take this point to this point, like that. So you can create a different type of quotation, and you can add on your plane. And after exactly the same work, you can select a view. You can select the view that you want. And after you can go on File and you can go Export in 2D graphic also.